student, this video is for class 9th Bihai book. Lesson 9, the bond of love. Bond meaning is relation of love. In this lesson we will read about the love and friendship between human being and the wild animal. Let's read a fascinating account. Fascinating account meaning is imaginative story of an orphaned. Orphan meaning is whose mother and father has been died. Orphaned sloth bear. Sloth meaning is who moves slowly. A bear who moves slowly that was rescued by. Rescued meaning is saved. Saved by the author. Sloth bears inhabit. Inhabit meaning is lived in forested area means forests, including the tropical rainforests of India means they are found in the rainforests of India, and grasslands of lower elevations. Elevation meaning is height, and they are found in the lower height of the grassland areas. Sloth bear have very shaggy hair. Shaggy meaning is rough hair, and long muzzles. Muzzles meaning is mouth. Using their claws. Claws meaning is feet to dig. They are using their feet to dig the ground. They can use then their lips to form a tube, and they are using their lips to make a tube which can go deep into the ground or into a hard to reach area means where it is difficult to reach, like dead trees, for their food. Their main food is termite. Termite meaning is white ants. You can hear them suck up. Suck up meaning is lick their food from several feet away means how they are eating their food. The voice was coming at a several feet distance also. Now let's start the story. I will begin. I meaning is author. Author said I'll begin with Bruno. Means he would start the story with Bruno, who was a bear, my wife's pet sloth bear, and this Bruno was author's wife's pet bear who is moving slowly. I got him for her by accident. And how did he get this bear? He got this bear by accident. 2 years ago, we were passing, author and his some friends, they were passing through the sugarcane field near Mysore. People were driving. Driving meaning is forcing them to run away. The wild pigs. People were driving away means they were forcing the wild pigs to run away from the fields by shooting. They were shooting at them. Some were shot, some were killed, some escaped, and some escaped from the field. We thought that everything was over, and they thought everyone means some had died and some which left they had run away. When suddenly a sloth bear, black sloth bear, came out panting. Panting meaning is taking deep breath in the hot sun. Now I will not shoot a sloth bear. Then the author, by seeing the bear who was taking deep breath in the sun, he said that he would not shoot a sloth bear. Want only meaning is without any reason, but unfortunately meaning is unluckily for the poor beast, for that poor animal, one of my companion meaning is friend, one of author's friend didn't feel that way means he didn't feel like the author was feeling, as author didn't want to kill the bear, but his friend didn't feel that way, and promptly meaning is quickly shot the bear on the spot, and means he killed that bear immediately at the same point. As we watched the fallen animal, and when they saw that the bear to whom author's friend had shot, he fell down, we were surprised. The author and his other friends, they were surprised to see that the black fur on its back, on the fallen animal's back, moved and left the prostrate body. Prostrate meaning is lied body means the dead animal's body. One black fur came out from the fallen body of the animal. Then we saw it was a baby bear, and then what they saw, which kind of fur had fallen down? It was a baby bear that had riding on its mother's back, who was riding on the mother bear's back when the suddenly shot had killed her, means when the shot had killed the mother bear, at that time the baby bear was riding at her back, and when it had been killed, then the baby bear also came down on the earth. The little creature ran around. The little bear, the baby bear, ran around its prostrate parent. Prostrate meaning is lied parent, who was lying on the floor. Parent, making a pitiful noise, making a sad noise. I ran up to it, and then by seeing this, author ran towards baby bear in order to attempt, meaning is in order to capture meaning is catch it. It scooted, but when the author ran towards the baby bear, it scooted meaning is ran away into the sugarcane field, following it. Then author started following the baby bear with his companions. I was at last able to grab it by the scuff of its neck, and at last the author grab it meaning is hold it by the back of its neck, while it snapped meaning is tried to come out of the hold of author, and tried to scratch me. Even it tried to harm the author by scratching with its long and hooked claws, with its long and hooked meaning is curved feet, or the nail of the feet. We put it in one of the gunny bag, but they didn't leave the baby bear and put the baby bear in sack, gunny bag we had bought, which was with them. And when I got back to Bangalore, when he came back to Bangalore at his hometown, I duly presented it to my wife, and he then gifted the baby bear to his wife. She was delighted, and by getting this bear, she became very happy. She at once put a colored ribbon around its neck. She tied one colored ribbon around baby bear's neck, and after discovering the cub was a boy, and when she became to know that this baby bear, cub meaning is a baby animal, was a boy, she christened meaning is gave name it Bruno, means she gave it the name as Bruno. Bruno soon took to drinking milk. As the Bruno started growing, it started drinking milk from a bottle. It was but a step further, and it had shown that it had taken one more step in his life. And within a very few days, he started eating, drinking everything else, and it started eating and drinking whatever was given to it. And everything is the right word. And why they had taken the word everything for eating and drinking items, because he ate porridge meaning is liquid dish, which was made from any ingredient, any type of vegetable or any kind of item it has been made, vegetables, fruit, nuts, meat. In meat, especially pork is meat of pig, curry and rice. Regardless meaning is despite of condiments meaning is spices, means instead of spices in the curry and rice, it started eating, or it ate these things. And chilies, it could eat chilies, bread, eggs, chocolate, sweets, pudding meaning is cakes, it ate cakes, ice cream, etc., and etc. As for drinking, and in drinking item, it drank milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, aerated water meaning is soda water, buttermilk, beer, alcoholic liquor means alcohol, and in fact anything liquid or any other liquid thing which was given to it, it drank. It all went down with relish, and Bruno enjoyed while eating and drinking these things. The bear became very attached to two Alsatian dogs. Alsatian is a type of dog, and Bruno became very attached, means it started liking or became friend with author's two dogs, Alsatian dogs, and to all the children of the tenants. Tenant meaning is the people who paid for living, means they who are living on the rent and in the author's house. Their children's bear became attached with their children, living in their bungalow, in Arthur's bungalow. He was left quite free in his younger days, and when he was a small, then the Arthur or his family could leave him free, means he was moving freely in the house and spent his time in playing, running into the kitchen and going to sleep in our beds. One day an accident befell him. Befell meaning is occurred with him, happened with him. I put down poison. Arthur has kept some poison. Poison name was barium carbonate, to kill the rats and mice that had got into my library, which were in the Arthur's library. But Bruno entered the library as he often did, as a regular. The Bruno was entering into the library. That day also Bruno entered into the library, and he ate some of the poison. Paralysis set in, and when the Bruno ate poison, then in his body there was the attack of paralysis occurred in his body. Paralysis meaning is loss of power to move, means he couldn't move into the extent, and the paralysis set into the extent that he couldn't stand up on his feet, and it has the poison had shown so much effect that the Bruno could not stand on his feet, but he dragged. Then also he dragged himself on his stump meaning his knees, to his wife, to Arthur's wife. And when Arthur's wife saw the condition of Bruno, then she called Arthur. I guessed what had happened. Then the Arthur, when Arthur's wife told him, then the Arthur guessed that what could have happened. Oh, off I rushed, and by listening this thing, Arthur rushed in his car, ran towards his car to the vet's residence. Vet's meaning is veterinary doctor or animals doctor. A case of poison, and when he reached to the veterinary doctor, he told him that it is a case of poison, tame bear, pet animal, pet bear, barium carbonate. What to do? And he spoke in words only, means he was not able to speak in the sentence form to the doctor.